Welcome to Shop Talk for Thursday, March 5th. This week, I only have one class to touch on quickly, and that is for our patchwork kicks. We do have a Saturday class on the 7th, and there's still spots available. So you may want to join us to put a pair of patchwork kicks together. And then last week, I talked about Moda's kindness line, and I was so inspired by the fabrics that I actually put together a quilt using that fabric. This is from the Stripology Quickies book. I like this book. It goes with the Stripology rulers that have all the slits in them. It went together very quickly because you're using that ruler. And there's lots of other fun designs in this book as well. So if you want to drop by and pick up the line or the book, we have those available for you. Let's take a look at the fabric we have for this week. Here we have Pastel Prairie by Moda. I love all of the different prints that we get to work with in this line. I think it would be great for some Easter embroidery with all of the sweet little prints that it has built into it, especially with the blender pieces, with the checks and the stripes, and then all the pretty little florals that are mixed in as well. All of this goes together so well, and you could create even a table runner for Easter or anything spring related, and it would even be so cute as little garments for littles for their shirts or for little dresses. All kinds of fun prints to play with here with Pastel Prairie. We do also have the pre-cuts for this line. We have the 10-inch layer cake. We have the 5-inch squares for the charm pack. And we also have the 2.5-inch strips for our jelly roll for this line. For our Baby Lock highlight this week, we have our Baby Lock 12-foot kit. What's really cool about this little set is that it has 12 of our favorite feet in it. It's normally a $200 value to purchase all of these individually, but this kit is $29.99. And it has feet like our Teflon foot, which I absolutely love to use on my bag making. It has an invisible zipper foot. It has our 1/4 inch that we like. If you've ever put a ruffle on a tea towel, the gathering foot is really nice to use for that. And it even has an open toe foot, which is what we like to use for applique. These kits are also really great if you want to have an additional set of feet that you carry in your travel bag. It has a place for them to stay safe and you can keep up with them. So just a really nice little kit here from Baby Lock. Spring Fling is just around the corner. That is April 9th through the 11th, and our ticket sales start on March 14th. And we have been getting ready for that. We're getting kits together. We've been shooting our ads. So be looking for those on Facebook. We can't wait to share all of these really fun projects with you. And we're just looking forward to the fun and community that Spring Fling brings to us every year. Thanks so much for joining us this week on Shop Talk. So you can like walk. It's a phone holder. Well, it's actually Hey Hey from Moana because we're throwing a luau. So we have our chickens. And you put your phone in it, and that way while you're watching tutorials, then you can have your tutorials running while you are sewing on your sewing machine.